Need to change the aspect ratio on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? By switching aspect ratios, you can shoot in the perfect format for social media, widescreen, or cinematic videos that you want, as you want. So, in this video, I'll guide you on how to change the aspect ratio on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, turn on the camera. Now from the home screen, swipe up. Here you'll get the resolution option. Now look at the top right corner. You will see 16:9 text box, which stands for aspect ratio. If you tap on it, you will switch to 1:1. This ratio stands for square size. If you tap again, it will switch again to 16:9. This is a widescreen size, and this is the standard video ratio. So now, confirm and swipe down to close. And that's it. That's how you can change the aspect ratio on DJI Osmo Pocket. Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.